Out this video. Today I'm coming to you with 12 data entry jobs online for 2020. Starting off with number 1 is called SportsEngine, and this is in Minneapolis, Minnesota. Customer Content Specialist, bachelor's degree and prior experience in technology. If you want more ways of how to make money from home or side hustles, passive income, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification so when I do my future videos, you'll be the first one to get a notification. Number 2 is called WoodBridge Home. This is in Haysville, Kansas. Appointment set of $12 to $18 an hour. You don't need any experience for this job. Any. And this is in Haysville, Kansas. Number 3 is called Kitchen Craft Cookware, Ocala, Florida. Outside sales rep, $60,000 to $100,000 a year. And this is in Ocala, Florida. 4 is called Gillware.com, Austin, Texas, digital marketing sales consultant. And you don't need any experience for this as well. 5 is called American Express. I know we all know this. With this one, you could work with this job. You have the potential. If you have good potential, you can work anywhere in the United States with this job. It's a virtual customer care. Part-time is 100% remote. That they are hiring as we speak. 6 is called Carlson Wagon Travel, San Antonio, Texas, part-time counselor. Virtual part-time counselor, you don't need any experience. 7 is Custom Beverage Associates, and this is Albuquerque, New Mexico. Sales manager, $2,500 or $5,000, $25 to $5,000 sign-up bonus in Albuquerque, New Mexico. 8 is called Enhance Openings LLC, Tucson, Arizona. Sales consultant. You can make it to $120,000 a year on commission. So you have the potential of making as much or as little when it comes to commission. 9 is called Madison Allied, Sanford, Florida, virtual real estate agent, flexible scheduled hours. 10 is called In-Home Sales, and is Peoria, Illinois, outside sales rep, and they will pay you for training. Paid training. Don't have to worry about paying. And paid training. 11 is called Iconic Imprint, and this is in Dripping Springs, Texas. Customer service, email, and live chat service. Handle inbound inquiries, sales, any issues that the customer may have. So that's what you're going to be in. Customer service rep, email, and live chatting with the customer or potential clients. 12 is called Convert Denver in Denver, Colorado. This is an inside sales agent. You don't need any license for this position. And this is in Denver, Colorado, as an inside sales agent. If you find any one of these 12 data entry jobs online for 2020, click on any link that you find interesting and start the process. Don't forget to share the video. I want to say thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. And I hope that any one of these 12 data entry jobs that are online, that's going to help you in 2020. With that being said, I want to say thank you for checking out this video. Share the video. Hit the bell notification. Don't forget to hit the bell notification so you don't miss out any future videos, work from home videos that I might have for you. Okay? So enjoy the day, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.